Welcome to our channel Banana Tips. In this tutorial you will learn that how we can create this wood material with the help of nodes. And here you can see that I create this wood material and I plug in all the essential color and required parameter into the group input node, and by pressing tab here you can see the custom node group of this wood material. And here you can see this is the color 1 and the color 2 of this wood, and here you can see the changing, and this is the color 2 and this is the noise 1 scale, and this is the noise detail. You can adjust according to your scene, and this is the noise distortion, and this is the rotation angle. You can rotate the wood according to your requirement, and this is the roughness, and this is the bump strength. How we can create this wood material? So let's start after the commercial ad of my materials. Welcome to the Blender Procedural Realistic Material. This Procedural Realistic Material library currently contains 200 plus realistic procedural material, Blender asset browser setup containing 25 different catalogs, having custom node groups, custom thumbnails, 25 packs containing original 3D model and material, and also more in future. And here you can see the 25 different catalogs, and this is the abstract material, this is the bricks and tiles, fabric, wood, glass, glitters, hexagon, man-made, marble, ornaments, paint metals, rocks, skin, snow, space, terrazzo, tree barks, wood, and wood floor. And if you want to purchase these materials, then you can visit my Gumroad store, Blender markets. Links are in descriptions. First I open the Blender and set up the scene, and here you can see that I am in 3D viewport, and this is the icosphere, and if I select this object and enter the edit mode, and here you can see this is the highly subdivided object, and this is the shader editor, and here I rename this material wood material, which is I am going to create. And here you can see the screencast keys which I press. So by pressing shift A, here I search for the noise texture and place the noise texture something like here, and put the factor into the base color, and by pressing selecting noise texture, press Ctrl T. This will be adding the texture coordinate and mapping, and this is due to the node wrangler add-on. I enable the node wrangler add-on. If you also want to enable the node wrangler add-on, then you go to the edit, and here in preferences in add-on you just type the node and just check mark the node wrangler add-on, and here I use the object coordinate, and I put the object into the vector of the mapping. Beautiful. Now I adjust some value of this noise texture, and here I increase the scale. I increase the detail up to the max, which is the 15, and also increase the distortion of this noise, and here I put the value 2. Beautiful. And I also want to stretch this noise texture along z-axis and then rotate to the 45 degree. So here I increase the scale of the mapping, and here you can see here I put the value 3, which is suitable, and here I add another mapping to rotate this noise. By pressing shift A, here I search for another mapping and place it here, and here I add the value. By pressing shift A, here I search for the combine XYZ, and put this into the rotation of the vector. Nice. And here I choose the value which is the best for our sphere, and here this is best, and here I put 45 degree to rotate this noise texture along 45 degree. Beautiful. Nice. And now here I add another noise texture. By pressing shift A, here I search for the noise texture and place this noise texture something like here, and here I, by pressing Ctrl Shift to preview this noise texture, and here I change the value of this noise texture, and here I increase the scale something like 10, and also increase the detail up to the max. Beautiful. And move these nodes something like here, and here I search for the color ramp to make this noise texture more contrasty, and place it here, and by pressing Ctrl Shift to preview this, and here I move this pointer something like this, and actually I unplug this and press Ctrl Shift to preview this. Now it's look nice. And here I move this pointer something like here to adjust the value to make a mask for this wood material, and I think this is looking better. Now I add the mix by pressing Shift A. Here I search for the mix color, and place this something like here, and move it here, and here I put this into the A, and I bypass this texture to put into the B of this mix, and here you can see the changings. Beautiful. And here I put this and move this something like here, and this is the beautiful mask of the wood. And now I assign some wood material. So by pressing Shift A, I search for the another mix color, and place this mix color here, and here I put this into the vector, and here I assign the color for the wood. And first here I put this color, and move it down to make it some more dark material, and I think it's looking better. And I also copy this into this, and move this pointer to the upward to make it more bright. Beautiful. Now it's looking better. And I also want to add some bumps to this wood, so here I use this value into the normal, and here you can see this is the shading issue, because this is the color data and this is the normal data. To convert it, here I search for the node which is the bump, and place it here, and put the normal into the height. And here you can see the material is too much bumpy, and here I decrease the bump strength, and find some sufficient, and here I put the value 0.100, and now this is looking better. And here I also increase the roughness about 0.800, and now it's look better. Nice. This is the wood material which I created, and by pressing F12, and here you can see the material in rendered view, and here is the final render of the wood material. Thanks for watching.